Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Suraya. Today we are going to discuss how to create a pie chart in Excel. A pie chart is a circular chart which is divided into slices and the size of the slices are proportionate to the data values it represents. It is used to represent categorical data. Let's create a pie chart in Excel. The table contains product sales data. It has columns, products, units sold and sales amount. In products, you can see there are 4 different products: monitor, laptop, mouse, and keyboard. The table represents the number of units sold and sales amount for all these 4 products. Let's create a pie chart to see the sales amount for these 4 products. First, select the product column, then press or hold Control key, then select sales amount. Here you can see the 2 columns, products and sales amount is selected. Now go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts, then pie, then OK. A pie chart has been created. Here you can see there are 4 slices which represent this 4 product category. The blue slice represents the monitor, the orange one represents the laptop, the gray one PC mouse, and the yellow slice represents the wireless keyboard. Let's make some changes in this pie chart. Select the chart, then go to add element and then data labels. Then add data label. Let me make it inside out, inside and okay. Then here you can see or observe that the the orange slice which represents the laptop has the biggest slice because it represents the largest value, and the gray one which represents the PC mouse is the smallest slice because it represents the smallest value. The size of the slices are proportionate to the data value it represents. Let's change these numbers to percentage. First, to do that, first we have to select the numbers. Then in the right hand side, you'll get format data labels. Then go to this label option. Then label options. Here you'll get the percentage. We can add both values and percentage, but let's not select the value. You can or anyone can easily say that the 48% of the sales amount is contributed from the sales of the laptop, 8% from the PC mouse, 13% from the wireless keyboard, and 31% from 24-inch monitor. Let's select a chart design. First select the chart, then go to chart design in the toolbar, then let's select the design as this. That's all for this video. Thank you.